Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing the system current because fixes and scheduler improvements matter. Run the package update immediately. It patches regressions and delivers driver tweaks. Once done, enable the fastest mirror option so future fetches are quicker, and install CPU/GPU microcode or firmware to avoid software workarounds. Make sure to reboot if the kernel or microcode changed. This step ensures the foundation is stable and removes known slowdowns before you tune services and storage. You now reduce background load and improve responsiveness. Identify enabled services and mask what you do not need. This frees CPU and I/O cycles. Then install tuned and select a profile like latency performance or desktop to adjust governor, I/O scheduler, and swappiness automatically. Make sure to enable periodic trim for NVMe or SSD drives so write performance stays high. Once these changes are active, you'll notice fewer hitches and faster app startup, because the kernel and device layers you finish by tuning memory behavior and adding compression back swap if needed. Reduce swappiness to keep pages in RAM longer, and configure ZRAM for systems with limited memory to avoid heavy disk swapping. Make sure kernel parameters are persisted so they survive reboots. If things still feel slow, check boot and runtime logs with journoctl-b and measure startup times with systemd analyze blame. These commands show the real bottlenecks. If a service is the culprit, disable or reconfigure it and retest to confirm improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.